I've been in the ATM business since 2009, as you know, and I've been teaching people since 2011, as you also know. Listen, if you've been wanting to learn the ATM business, like you want to learn how to put ATMs in local businesses to create consistent monthly passive income, I just released a brand new ATM training. Brand new. It is. Are you ready for this? I hope you're sitting down. It's $47. I am not shitting you. $47. I teach you everything you need to know about starting and growing a profitable ATM business where you're putting ATMs in local businesses. So that's the permanent placement side of the business. I'll teach you everything you need to know for $47. I'm not bullshitting you. It really is $47. Now, here's the thing. There's a reason why it's $47 because some people will be like, $47, that can't be valuable. That can't be a good training. I'm telling you, this training for $47 could easily probably sell for $2,000. Like, it is a legit serious training. Now, it's a brand new training I just put together, but I've even taken some lessons from my high-end mentorship program. In my high-end mentorship program, they go through two ATM trainings of mine. So I've taken some lessons from that. So people that pay me $6,000 to $10,000 or more for me to mentor them, some of those lessons are in this $47 training. When I tell you this $47 training is everything you will need to learn how to start and grow a profitable permanent placement ATM business, I'm not bullshitting you. I really am not. The training is called Residual FU Money Training. What is that all about? You're probably thinking, Carey. Well, my goal was for you to go through this training and create enough residual income coming in that you have so much money coming in that you can say F you to your boss or whomever you want to, because you're now officially choosing what you do with your time. And on top of that, it comes with my insane first ATM location guarantee. Come on now. I got you. Okay, and then if you're wondering, well, what's the catch, Carey? Why are you teaching me for $47? Well, it's not really a catch per se, but I do have a reason for it. First and foremost, I want to make sure you learn the right way to be in the ATM business. So I see too many people on all these different social media platforms that are suddenly, after they've been in the ATM business a day or a week or a year, suddenly want to teach you the ATM business and become an ATM business mentor and sell you a training. But when I look at their videos, I know that they're not compliant. And I know that if they got ratted out and they got caught, that they would be fined so much that they'd probably be put out of business. So they don't have any business teaching you the ATM business. So I got tired of seeing shit like that. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to create the best fucking training out there, and I'm going to give it away. $47 is giving it away. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is I hope you get this training and we develop a long-term relationship. And then I'm hoping that you choose to work with my wife and I when it comes to getting free processing, when it comes to buying your ATM machines, when it comes to buying your wireless routers. That's what I'm hoping. And then finally, I'm hoping that if you're like, you know what, Carey, I need more support. You see, the $47 training, I'll teach you. It teaches you everything you need to know. However, it does not come with support from me. Like, there's no weekly coaching calls. There's no student-only Facebook group. There's no one-on-one access to me. There's nothing like that, right? So I'm hoping that if you go through this training and you realize, you know what, I do need a little bit more support, I'm hoping that you do join my higher end mentorship program. Then that's the truth, guys. That's the truth. That's why it's $47. Enjoy. Click on the link below, and may you live happily off of passive income.